Is your Toyota CHR key fob not working? The most likely culprit is a dead battery. The CHR key fob uses a CR2032 battery, which is inexpensive and easy to replace yourself. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opener tool. First, locate the seam on the side of the fob. Gently pry it open. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the case back together and test the remote functions near your vehicle. Replacing the battery yourself can save you $50 to $100 compared to professional replacement costs. If a new battery doesn't fix the issue, it could be due to water damage or a faulty transmitter, requiring professional repair. To avoid issues, use high-quality batteries from verified sources, as counterfeit batteries can deplete quickly. Keep an eye on your vehicle's infotainment system. Newer CHR models can alert you to battery depletion. Remember that physical key fobs are becoming less prevalent as Toyota integrates smartphone-based digital keys into newer models. While DIY battery swaps are common for older models, future trends point to longer-lasting batteries and alternative power sources like solar panels, potentially reducing the need for replacements.